Welcome to our quick guide on using the Share Link deployment option for enhanced customer support. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. This deployment option is ideal for technical support and complex product inquiries. It offers self-service support for detailed inquiries through a dedicated, distraction-free interface, creating an immersive environment for focused assistance. Let's explore how to use it. Let's see how to enable this option. First, go to your project settings. Navigate to Sharing, and then click on Enable Sharing Link. You have two sharing options: a private sharing link for team members and a public sharing link for clients and team members. You can add that link to your website. Curious to know what it looks like? Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit customgpt.ai.